What's going on, guys? Dave here, and I am back in the US. I'm sorry for the lack of videos lately, by the way. It's been tough because I've had some tech issues while I was in Mexico, and I also had some concussion symptoms coming back up. But I am back with more videos. It's Christmas time too. I got the Christmas tree in the background, and we're ready to get started. Anyway, I got a question for you. You ever get rejected by a girl? It sucks in the moment, right?
Can I get your phone number?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm not in your age group.
You're not in my age group. Okay.
But you gotta realize it's not the end of the world. Matter of fact, you can actually use that rejection to propel you forward and attract more girls. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. Sound good? Let's do it. This is especially important if you're at a bar, club, or party where you might be in the view of other girls who you want to approach later. They're probably not going to hear what's being said in the actual rejection because of music, other people talking and stuff like that. And this works to your advantage because you can excuse yourself gracefully without ever making it seem like you were even rejected in the first place. For example, let's say you approach a girl and she acts like a total bitch. Hey, how's it going? I have a boyfriend. Now here you could respond in one of two ways. You could either act like you got rejected, whatever, or like you were just being social and saying hi. No worries, take it as a compliment then. Have a good night. That last way is a lot better because it makes you seem like you're a social guy instead of a guy who just struck out. That way, when you approach other girls later, they're gonna be a lot more open to you. So yeah, you basically wanna shrug it off, smile, and walk away with your head held high. When a girl rejects you right away, you gotta realize she's not rejecting you as a person, she doesn't even know you yet. She's rejecting the way that you approached her. And that's something you can easily change and improve. So don't get down on yourself and take it personally. Oh man! Realize that every guy gets rejected. Hell, it happens to me all the time. Not every girl is gonna be into you, and that's okay. Take a few seconds to reflect on what happened after the rejection and ask yourself what you can do better the next time. Maybe you didn't make great eye contact, you didn't have good energy, or your body language was weak. Make a mental note of it and try to improve that thing in your next approach. That way, you'll always be improving instead of banging your head against the wall and doing the same thing every approach. For example, you could challenge yourself to try to make eye contact for the majority of your next interaction. All right, guys, before we get into the next point, I want to take a quick second to talk about an awesome Christmas gift I have for you guys. As you may know, I've written 2 best-selling books about conversation and sex, and for the next week until Sunday at 11:59 p.m., you can get both of them for just 99 cents. In the first book, Conversation Casanova, you're gonna learn how to effortlessly start conversations, flirt like a pro, and attract any girl with your words. And in the second book, the Hookup Handbook, you're gonna learn 28 fundamentals to give a girl mind-blowing orgasms. When you combine the knowledge you get from both of these books, you're gonna be unstoppable, bro. All you gotta do to get them is to click the I in the top right corner or the links in the description. So go ahead and do that now, and I promise you're gonna love them. Now, let's keep the video moving. Now, even if you get rejected, you can still use it as momentum. See, for the moments of the actual approach, you're feeling the freedom of stretching your comfort zone and going for something you want. You now know that the worst case is that you get rejected, and you know it isn't that bad because you just went through it and you ain't dead, bro. This is especially true if it's one of your first approaches of the day or the night. These are gonna help you shake off the rust and get in the zone. To be honest, man, this happens to me and David from How to Beast all the time when we're making approach videos. The first couple approaches of the day are usually pretty bad because we need to shake off that rust. But once that happens, we get in the zone, we're feeling it, we're feeling good, and the rest of the approaches are like a piece of cake.
Listen up, bro, you better subscribe to the channel. And speaking of cake, candles.
Oh shit, bro. Yo, we out of here.
So instead of feeling rejected, use that social momentum as fuel to push you forward and have more social interactions. One of the worst things you can do after you get rejected is to slip back to the bar, stay there for 30 minutes, and feel bad about yourself. But guys do this all the time.
I'm sorry. Sorry for being a dick.
This is gonna kill your momentum. Instead, take a quick break if you need to, grab a drink with your friends, chill for a couple minutes, and then get back out there and approach another girl. Don't feel bad for yourself. Keep moving, keep learning from your interactions, and eventually you're gonna hit it off with a girl.
I'm Cal. I got this. Pleased to meet you. And this is my friend Jacob. He's just leaving.
Oh.
And make sure to be aware of the signs that a girl wants you to talk to her. This is gonna help you to have better interactions because the girl's gonna be into you right from the start. And you can learn about these signs by clicking the video right here. But yeah, if you get rejected, follow the steps I talked about in this video and you'll be golden. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.